'Twas 8 days till Christmas and some guy was worried. Must find a garage in a definite hurry. I need the right cases with tools just so many to entertain the YouTube with gadgets aplenty. Under the workbench there was such a pile. Take one out each day to make everyone smile. Some guy exclaimed as he looked what's in sight. Merry Casemass to all, let me pick one just right. On the 5th day of Casemass, my workbench gave to me a stud removal kit. And so what this is for, if we open it up here, there are a bunch of sockets that don't have what you would normally have inside of a socket. Instead, there's a cam mechanism here. And the point of this is that you're able to take a stud, so imagine this is sticking up out of an engine block or something like that. You can take a stud and grip onto in both directions and turns it that way, or can turn it this way, but it'll grip onto the threaded part of a bolt. And so what you would normally use these for is removing head studs or something like that where you can't otherwise get to the backside, or it's fully threaded into the block or something similar. And of course it comes in a bunch of different sizes. So each one, if you look inside, the cam mechanism is of a different size. And this particular set has 1/4, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16 in the Imperial side, and then 6, 8, 10, and 12 millimeter on the metric side. So rather than destroying the threads on the bolt by using, say, vice grips or something like that, you can use these with the camming mechanism inside like I showed to grip onto that stud and remove it from whatever it needs to be removed from. So kind of a handy tool set that you might not normally need or use, but for the particular application, it's really irreplaceable. So the other thing, these can be driven both with a 3/8 socket or a wrench on the outside as well. So you kind of get a couple options there. But typically you'd use these with a regular ratchet like this and be able to pull that out. So I can show it again here with this. You're able to grip onto that stud and then remove it with the wrench. So for the 5th day of Casemass, this is a stud removal set. One case done and another day closer. Become a subscriber, don't miss another. Merry Casemass to all, and we'll see you tomorrow.